In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the email SMTP custom settings in Supabase. So generally, if you receive an email from Supabase to confirm your email address, this is the email you will see. As you see, this doesn't have any of your branding, so it's very generic. It has the email address from Supabase. And if you want to change this information, watch the video. Okay, so let's get started. So go into your projects. So you've already logged in. Then you just go to your projects. Then on the left-hand side here, go to project settings. Then go to authentication. You see here under emails, click on that. There is a tab here, SMTP settings. Now you can enable this. It's also available in the free version. Then you just put in your sender email, your sender name, your host, your port number, then your username and password. Once you've entered all that information, just press save. And now you will get an email address from your own branding email. Hope this video helped. If it did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.